everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell below for more video updates. Ever since I became a mom, I'm just finding it quite difficult to sort of follow, kind of keep up with the latest beauty trend, and it takes 20 brushes or whatever to do a whole face. First of all, I don't have that time. I'll be lucky if I get 10 minutes. Second of all, money. I'm not spending as much as I used to on my makeup products, to be honest. I'm much more conscious about my spending and what I'm buying. I know so many of my friends and followers feel really guilty as well when they buy themselves something, when they've got 2 kids to take care of, 3 kids or whatever. So it's real, you have fees to pay, you have clothes to buy, you have food to put on the table. So my whole everything, you know how it is when you become a mom, everything changes. So for me, I was just okay, well, I don't have a whole half hour or an hour to get ready in the mornings, but I don't want it to be one of those things that I never do my face either. I like cuteness, I love lipsticks, I love everything, but I had to really scale it down to basics so I can still look cute and stuff and still get everybody out of the door in the morning. I have to get Kai ready at the same time, pack Kev's lunch. You know how it is in the mornings, it's just chaotic. Even if you aren't a mom but you just don't have that time in the mornings, you're trying to beat traffic. So I'm going to be showing you how I get my everyday, mommy-friendly, busy woman, working mom, whatever it is that you are, look in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so I start off with concealer just under my eyes. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in Fawn. Right, rub that in. And then on my lids, I'm putting the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. Sorry, you can't really see that. But yeah, I put that on just to help with my oily eyelids so I don't get those funny makeup creases. And then for my eyebrows, I use this Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil. I love that it has that brush on the lid. So yeah, as you can see here, I'm just brushing my eyebrows. I don't tweeze or do anything to my eyebrows anymore. I used to over pluck, and I'm just not into that anymore, so I actually leave them to just grow. So what I'm doing here is I'm just using the pencil to just sort of lightly kind of just fill in. So I do still leave a little bit of gaps, but it's really just filling in the sort of the gaps that my eyebrow hairs naturally make, and I'm just following the natural shape of my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm just keeping the strokes, a bit short, and again, just following the natural shape of my brows. And then, yeah, I just use that brush, that handy brush, on the lid just to blend in the pencil a little bit and clean up my hairs. And then to give it a bit more of a defined look, I'm going in again with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, but this time I use Toffee. What I like to do is I just put a little bit onto the cap so I have more control of how much comes out. So it has that handy little brush already attached to it, so I don't have to, fiddle with an extra brush. So I just use that to just draw right under my eyebrows. I don't really do the top because then, I don't know, I prefer this look that it just tidies up a little bit of the stray hairs underneath my brows. Oh, and the shade that I'm using for under my brows is Toffee.
Then you have
go in one more time with the brush just to, again, just tidy it up a little bit, make sure that I'm happy with it. So yeah, as you can see here, I deliberately go up and then brush it down. Yeah. Okay, and then I use the LA Girl Fineline eyeliner. I love that it has this felt tip marker pen tip. So it's just easy to draw like a nice clean line. And then right now I'm just using the Bourjois Clubbing waterproof eyeliner. I love waterproof products. It just helps, especially like just in the heat and getting sweaty and stuff, that my makeup lasts all day. And then for my mascara, I'm currently using Maybelline, the Falsies Volum Express mascara. I really love this one because of the curved wand. Oh my god, this is so weird watching this. The faces I'm making. If you figure out like a nicer way of putting mascara on, please let me know. And then for my lips, I'm using LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Chocolate, just to line my lips. I kind of use the same like brown pretty much for all of my lipsticks. I just find that it works nicely. So yeah, then feather that in a little bit so the line's not too harsh. And then this is my favorite light pink sort of lipstick at the moment. It's Maybelline Color Sensational Powder Matte in Nocturnal Rose. I just love this shade for an everyday look. Okay, and then the last thing I do is I use this sleek blush. Yeah, it's a little bit beaten up, but yeah, it's I use this a lot. So yeah, I put that on my cheeks just to give it a bit of color. I haven't found sleek in South Africa, so if anybody knows if it's available locally, please let me know. Otherwise, I just get friends from overseas to get me my stash. All right, and then I just make sure that, you know, no lipstick is on my teeth. Do my hair, and I'm done. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up if you liked, and please remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below, especially if you have any other tips on how you can save time while you've got like 2 babies running around, a husband to feed, and all of that chaos that we all know about. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!